bite to eat. That was good. Some chili. It's definitely filled a spot. It's looking a bit grim. Let me just show you. Nice and bit of red sky and stuff over there. But on that side, it's looking a bit grim. Looking a bit grim at the minute over that way. I've just made myself a cup of tea. And while it's brewing, actually I'll just show you out to sea actually. There's a bit of cloud and stuff out there. I might not even get on the water tomorrow. Just got to see what it's like tomorrow morning. But while I'm here, literally while I'm here, there is a geocache in this area. And it's called Panorama View, I think it is. So we might as well have a look for that while we're here. Let's get looking. Right, so it's called Filey Bay Panorama. And it's not far from here. I'm going to go and have a look. Found it. Can you believe that? So I'm waiting for a cup of tea to brew. I'm going to go off and find a geocache. Didn't expect to be doing that, but I did actually think while I was here in Filey I might as well look for a few while I'm here. Right, I'm still in Filey. I've had my morning paddle. Don't like it! And I'm on the cliff top in Filey, and I did a cache over in that direction last night, but I know there's another one around there and there's another one in the other direction too. Right, the one we're going to look for first is called Train to Save. Let's tap navigate, and it's about 285 meters away. Let's go looking. Apologies if there's any wind noise on the mic. There is a wind muffler on the microphone, but everything has its limitations and it's a bit blustery today. It's a little bit hazy today, but from here you'd normally be able to see Scarborough. Look at that, cormorant flying. If you've watched my Filey Clifftop Walk video, you'll know I stopped and talked about that pole there, about it being a training pole. And that's actually what this cache is linked to. The irony is that when I did that video, I've actually been really close to the cache and just had no idea. That's the wonder of geocaching. Found it! Morning. Hello. Noisy beast.
Morning.
Morning. Signed it, logged it, put it back. On to the next one. Right, this next one involves a little car trip. Not far off, 180 meters or so.
the coast path, yeah? Or should I have turned?
You're sorry?
Inland. This is the coast path, the Cleveland Way.
It actually goes up onto the other side. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. Let's go and see if there's another. Right, I've decided to call it a day today. You might some time ago have seen the video where I went paddling in the sea at Filey. This is that day. Hey! That was a good one. Right, let's just turn around and let's catch you on the way back in. Yeah, the geocaching and the kayaking videos are very out of sync. So yeah, I am quite tired. I've been up since about 3 in the morning. And then I was paddling from Salt Lake at 6 in the morning. Been a long time, been a long day, and it's, what is it now? We're coming up to 10 o'clock now, and I'm getting a bit pooped, so I'm going to get back to York. If you've enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing. It just means that you get a notification when you open up YouTube to say when I've uploaded some more content for you. Right, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.